Hello, this is Taj Tyres. I've got a Mercedes GLS 350. Just did a full service on this. That's the one. Just did a full service on this. I'm going to show you how to put it in service mode, as well as at the same time while you're in service mode, you can do stuff like the rear brake pads as well, you know, to retract the rear calipers and everything else. We'll just show you. Now that I'm in the car, you've got the start stop button right here. That's the menu you need to look at, and these are the buttons you need to work with. So if I switch the ignition on once, so I'll show you exactly what we're doing. So if I go back, go into service, right there you can see service 8 overdue, so it's already done. I'm going to show you how to reset it. Right, so if I go back into display, switch the ignition off, that's off now. Open the door just to be on the safe side, press back there. Now switch the ignition on to key position 1, so you only click it once. Once you do that, you then press the call button and the OK button at the same time. Now right in the center of the display there, as you can see, you've got the data just come up. You've got to keep hold of it. What you do first, you press the call button first. At the same time, within 5 seconds, you press the OK button, which is right here. Now you've got the vehicle data, roller test, pad replacement. So if you did want to do the rear brake pads, for instance, you press OK. Now it says condition not correct. Try again. So possibly the brake pads are not low at the moment, so it's not going to allow us to do it. So I'm going to go back. Go into Assist Plus, press OK, go into full service, because I've already done the service. I'm not going to go into the service data, so go into full service, service 1, which is done. So I'm going to go back down onto configure. So that's the grade that was used, 229.52 grade was used, which is correct. You do check the grade, so whichever grade you've used, just click on that one. So I've used the 229.52, press OK. Press down, which is that button right there. I then press OK, confirm, press down again, press OK, which says cannot be done. Okay, 1 second, that's done. I don't know why it said it cannot be done, but I'm gonna go back down, configure, press OK, yes. Oh, sorry, cannot be undone. Okay, I get it now. Where I've already done the reset, so that's the reason it's coming up with this information. So what I'm going to do now is go back, switch the ignition on, switch the ignition off. Just make sure all the lights switch off. That's it. Start the car up. I then go through the menu, which is here, and go into service, scroll down to Assist Plus, press OK. You can see now the next service is due in 365 days. That's all you gotta do on this particular model. I think pretty much all the Mercedes with that sort of display, with the electronic handbrake, if you've got an E-Class, C-Class, M-Class, G-Class, whatever class you have, and if it's got this sort of display and you've got an electronic handbrake, all you do, put the ignition to position 1, because this is a start stop button. If you've got a key, I mean, you can, there is a little trick here as well. You take this button out, you can slot a key in there and turn it right and left as well, but put it into position 1 and then follow the procedure as follows. Call and OK button. Call first, straight after that OK. That's all you got to do. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.